Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Mega iTech Systems and you are on to Learn with Ascend NC. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create a customized email for your business or for yourself. Now, if you are having a website and you want to create a customized email, so the first thing you will do is to go to the cPanel of your website, and this is the cPanel. This is the cPanel. The first thing is that you must have a website. You must have a website, and this is your cPanel. Now, where you have email, you have email account. So you just click on this email account. You click on it, and it will open this particular page. And these are the customized email I have. This is my website, Mega iTech Systems, and I have this customized email address, customercare@megaitech.com.ng. So I have this one, info@megaitech.com.ng. So how do you create a customized email like this? So what you do, you go to this place where you have create, you click on it, and it opens up. When it opens up, you scroll down and you see where you have username. So you enter whatever information you want to enter here. It can be whatever information or whatever address of your email you want to enter. So this website is megaitech.com.ng. So I may decide to say, so you put the address you want to use for this particular your particular website. So if, for instance, I want to say I want to use my name as I want to have a personal email address. It's personal customized email address for myself as the director of this business. I can say maybe director at megaitech.com.ng. Then I come here and then input my password. Okay. Now it's telling that this password is a very strong password. It said this password is strength of 82, which means our exceed the system requirement of 65. So we'll see that the password is very strong. So you now go ahead and click on create, and you see that it's creating the email account. So you can see my customized email has been created. Here you have director at megaitech.com.ng. So guys, if you found this video very educative, please don't fail to like and share this video. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe so that anytime I upload a new video, you will get to see it.